let's see what we got for the March Ipsy Glam bag. Open this up. Oh, that's already looking really nice. Ooh. Oh my god. This is what we have here for the month of March. It's really pretty. Look at that green. It says Ipsy here. 100th Ipsy Glam bag. A very pretty bag. Okay. Celebrate You, March 2020. By the way, if you've never heard of this, this is a monthly subscription and it's $12 a month. Where do we start? Okay, the first thing I have here is a liquid eyeliner. I receive one almost in every Ipsy bag and I love it. I use eyeliner every day. Liquid eyeliner, that is. This is the Elamask black eyeliner. I've never tried this brand. I've always wanted to try this brand. This is a deluxe sample. Full-size version of this product is $22. Subtle Flicks Dramatic Wings Graphic Cat Eye. This liquid liner does it all with a super precise felt tip that the formula, once it's on, it's on. It's 100% budge proof, so you don't need to worry about it smudging during the day. Swatch that for you. Oh, that went on pretty smooth. Next thing I have here, oh, I like this brand. This is Wonder Beauty. A nice bubble wrap. This is the Wonder Beauty Trip to Costa Ray bronzer in Costa Ray. I think that's how you say it. The only other thing I received from Wonder Beauty was a highlighter, and I'm obsessed. You guys have seen that I've used it in a lot of my tutorials. This is the deluxe sample, but the full size retails for $36. Spring break plans, no problem. This powder bronzer gives you a gorgeous just from the beach glow, so you won't miss a thing. It's made with antioxidant rich sunflower seed oil to protect skin from environmental damage, plus moisturizing plant extracts to hydrate and smooth your skin. Well, that sounds lovely. This is what it looks like. Oh, wait. Why does it look like it's swatched? It looks like it's swatched, but whatever. I'm trying to see if it was my fingers that dipped in there, but I don't see anything, so I don't know if you can see that there. Now I'm gonna swatch it and see. It looks really light. Okay. Not bad, right? You have to be really light for this to even appear. It's not a dark color at all. This is a light brown powder. Shimmer free finish that can be used all over. I have to apply it to see how I like it. It looks very warm. Just do this right here, right now. Oh, look at that. Just out of curiosity. It's looking like it's going strong. As of now, it's a really good bag. What else do we have here? Never heard of this. Shayna B. Yummy Highlight in Guava Glow. Oh my god, tell me please that you sent me another highlighter, because then I'll love you forever. Oh my god, look. Cute. Nice packaging for $29. This is the deluxe sample though. Curious to look at. Oh, that looks really pink. You know, it looks, they did say guava, so. God, that is so cute. You see that print? That is so cute. Just see this color. Right now it's looking like really pink. By the way, I love guava. I die for guava. Let me swatch here. Okay. I can't say I'm like, oh my god, that is insanely gorgeous. I would have to apply it on the face. Swatches are a completely different story, but that's okay. I mean, if you like a subtle glow, then okay, but this is like really subtle for me. Hello to the multitasking powder, your makeup bag. This spring, the luminous highlighter adds instant radiance and youthful rosiness to your skin, plus the highly pigmented formula never looks streaky or patchy and is easy to blend and build too. Next thing we have here, a lip balm. Actually, I need something on my lips badly right now. I'm always happy with lip balms. I like them more than lip glosses. Lip balm in Island Mint. Say aloha to our healthiest lips ever. Ipsy knows me so well. I love minty, medicated balms. Like, see, lip balm is made with coconut and cocoa oil straight from Hawaii to moisturize, nourish, and smooth your lips with every swipe. This cruelty-free natural formula is made without unhealthy ingredients like parabens and phthalates. And it retails for $6. This is the full size. Smells nice. You could smell the mint for sure. Much needed. Oh my god, did they really include this? Have Tatcha the water cream. You guys, I reviewed this so long ago when it just came out. I love this moisturizer. Skin needs hydration too, or it becomes dull and can even end up producing more oil. That's a fact. That's where this luxurious lightweight creams comes into play. Think of it as a tall glass of water. It's packed with nutrient-rich botanicals, specifically designed to hydrate oily, congestion-prone skin. I can already tell you I love this. For perfecting Japanese wild rose for normal to oily skin. Love how this smells. Full size of this is $68, which is crazy. I never bought the full size. I think they do sell this like in a set. You get the deep cleanser, which I have. They're both in this like mint color. I love this so much. Oh, I'm so happy. It's like water, but it feels moisturizing. I think maybe like if you have really dry skin, you're not gonna feel like it moisturizes enough. But if you have oily skin, you're gonna love this moisturizer. I almost forgot. We have a brush too, and let me tell you that I love this brand for brushes. This is the Luxie 640 Pro Precision Tapered Brush. And it says this retails for $24. This is the full size. Spring calls for sheer washes of color. And this fluffy brush is the must-have tool for applying powder formulas across lids with ease. The oversized, slightly tapered tip blends out bold blushes and highlighters. Love the color of the handle. I have another brush of theirs that is the same color for the eyes, and I'm obsessed with it. I have nothing else like it. This is so soft. You know what, I'm thinking about using it better? I don't know if I would want it for highlighter. I really need a brush like to powder under my eyes. So that's what I'm thinking, and it's so soft and gentle. And you know that area under your eyes, you have to be really delicate with it. Let me know what you got in the comments down below. See you guys in my next video. Bye.